With these RGB lights and softboxes from Ambitful, you can make your own setup running just on batteries. Omahe, and this is the new Ambitful FL80 RGB light with the foldable parabolic softbox 70cm and 90cm. Ambitful sent me this kit about 3 months ago, and since then I'm using these guys here in my studio, and today we'll share my feedback with you so you make up your mind. Alright, let's get started. The FL80 RGB light is built to be compact, small, and less weight than other competitors, and basically that's why we get an external power adapter. And speaking of power, as you see, the FL80 can run on 2 MPF batteries, and the bigger the batteries are, the more runtime we get. The battery adapter and mount are sold separately at an additional cost, and we'll keep the links down below. The price may differ from a region to another. So the buttons and dials are okay, you don't feel like you're touching the best buttons out there, but works well, and I feel it's okay for the price range. And there is no remote controller for the FL80, you can control the light and play with the RGB colors on your phone. And the major dislike is the power button, where I have to hold it for about 5 seconds. I need it to be faster, just click and go. So the handle is fine and you can adjust the tilt as you wish. As I mentioned earlier, this system made to be compact and small, so the overall weight for the LED unit and the power adapter is about 1.5 kg, 3.3 pounds. Now speaking of the softboxes I'm using here in my studio, this is the parabolic 90cm softbox, foldable softbox, and the other guy I'm using here to fill the light is the 70cm. And to be honest, since this is a parabolic, so it's a lot deeper than normal softbox, even though it's 90cm. So the 70cm here works very well in my situation and in my small studio. Usually, the smaller the softbox is, the less light split we get travel to the background. And bigger softboxes would make softer shadows. I like the build quality of these softboxes and the foldable mechanism as well. So here in my studio, Triopo 90cm foldable softbox was my guy. And to be honest, after getting hands on these Ambitful softboxes, they feel much better, the mechanism and build quality are much nicer, even the clothes are cleaner. I do recommend them, but bear in mind that parabolic softboxes are deeper. Even though FL80 RGB light is an RGB light, it also features a daylight. And since GODOX SL60 was my main source of light here in the studio for the last 2 years, I'm curious to check the performance and the specs versus the new FL80 RGB. Here I would like also to mention that the Ambitful FL80 daylight model is available for a cheaper price. So the first remarkable difference I found is the white balance. GODOX and Ambitful claim to have 5600 Kelvin daylight white balance. But in fact, GODOX SL60 doesn't stick to these standards. The white balance is a little bit warmer than expected. See when adjusting the white balance based on a color checker, the color temperature is shifted. Thumbs up for Ambitful. Now, in terms of the build quality, GODOX is made of solid plastic, whereas Ambitful is made of metal. I believe aluminum. It feels more solid, lighter, and remarkably smaller. GODOX SL60 is 150 grams heavier. Both models have built-in fans and the noise is hearable, but it's low. I believe in both models they are at the same level, which is actually not very high and not low, but what's more interesting is the noise doesn't show in my audio track even though the light is about 3 feet 1 meter away from me. And I believe the cooling system in the FL80 is a little bit better than GODOX because the fan is exposed to both sides, so it gets more air. This is not a scientific feedback, it's my own thoughts. So overall, I'm pretty happy with these lights and softboxes, and I believe it's a good value for the money. As I mentioned earlier, I've been using this kit here in my studio for the last 3 months, and I can tell you, I am satisfied. It's a good value for the money. You can pick up the light itself or as a combo deal with additional accessories such as the power adapter. I will keep the links down below for your reference. Thank you so much for watching this video guys, and I hope you find this video helpful. If so, thumbs up and bump that subscribe button for more camera gear reviews. This was Oma, and see you guys in another one. Cheers!